Let's glide from the stars to the moon. There is not one among us who hasn't looked up at the night sky and whispered, Ambali Maman, come play with me.
Wasn't that a sparkling show from our little stars? Twinkles, touch-no beats, and tiny dots lighting up the stage. Let's give another round of applause to our nursery wonders.
Our little moonbeams from Junior KGA take us on a nostalgic journey with the beloved Malayalam song Ambali Maman. We dedicate this performance to Sri Rakesh Sharma, the first Indian in space, and Neil Armstrong, the first human to set foot on the moon.
This dance brings back the joy of childhood memories, Patti Vadasutta Kada, sleepy eyes, and the magical glow of moonlight filling our dreams. Let's welcome this junior kindergarten moonbeamers as they light up the stage with innocence, wonder, and joy.